Just got painted about an hour and a half ago. This is 4-to-1 clear. I'm not gonna tell you what clear it is, but it's around $100. 3 coats, 1 initial tack coat, and 2 medium coats back to back right away. Got a quarter panel and a door blend. Cut it off right at the body line. The fine line tip was already peeled off. You don't need a $250 clear. You don't need a $500 clear to do a good job. You just need experience and patience and a formula, because you know, one clear that works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for the next guy or everybody else. I've been using this clear for 10 years now. You know, if I use a $200 clear, I'm sure it'll look better. I'm sure there's things about it that'll look better, probably have more depth and be thicker, and it'll be able to achieve that without building up a lot of orange peel. But that's not what everybody wants, you know? So that's it.